Hi everyone, it's Aileen Jong here. I just want to share a quick update with our Qigong community.
Welcome to QiMastery with Aileen Jong. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
The QiMastery App training program will now officially begin with another cohort on April 1st. If you've been wanting to give a little bit more structure to your learning, this is the way to do it through the Qigong app. It will also improve your QiFlow, and the program will guide you step by step in a progressive way. We'll be working with foundational Qigong practices designed to help relieve pain, calm the nervous system, and improve overall energy and well-being. And if you'd like to practice with me in person, I'm having 2 workshops upcoming in April. They are on April 11th. I'll be teaching the Goose 1 first 64 movements for Yin and Yang fundamentals, and as 大眼气功前644, and that will be here in my office space in Cupertino in the studio. Then on April 25th to 26th in Santa Cruz, I'll be offering a 2-day workshop on the 6 healing sounds. That's a powerful practice to release stress, negative emotions, and calm the nervous system. And if you're interested, you can find all that information on my website, qi-mastery.com. Check the show notes below. I hope to practice with you real soon. Take care, everybody, and love to all the world. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Continue your healing journey with any of these videos.